Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is a 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport. It will have LED daytime running lights. You'll also have fog lights. You'll have the all-weather floor mats and all footwells. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls and use voice commands. Cruise control. You'll also have the paddle shifters. Your radio, you'll be able to Bluetooth media in. You'll have the climate control buttons. Under here, you'll have a USB port and a power port. And the cables can actually run through here. You'll have brake hold as well as an electronic parking brake and an econ mode for fuel efficient driving. Center console opens up, slides around, allowing for larger glasses and tumblers. You'll see the all-weather floor mats back here as well. The seats will be able to fold down if you need to. We'll have a capless fuel filler. The vehicle is equipped with a backup camera that has 3 different views. You'll have the privacy screen, the all-weather cargo tray, and under here, you'll have the spare tire and tool set. This is the 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.